This is the King Arthur organic bread flour. I use this for really most of my baking, but specifically I use it for my sourdough baking. I just find that my sourdough typically rises a little bit better than when I used all-purpose flour. So I do typically open it and then pour it into another container just so it's easier to get cupfuls of it. But as you can see, it is just such a nice, finely ground, fluffy. It's always so fresh. I do prefer to weigh my bread flour versus using cups or anything like that, just because I feel like it gives it a little bit more of an exact measurement. But I have always had great success with this. Bread flour has a little bit higher gluten content, which means a little bit more protein than all-purpose. So it typically does work better for either feeding your sourdough starter or baking with it. So I would definitely recommend, especially if you're on a sourdough journey.